second Ontario Kayak Bass Trail event. Ooh, the fish just stirred the water. Anyway, basically I did some pre-fishing, but not in this area. Pre-fishing was totally unsuccessful. I didn't like the area that I was fishing, and I've been on this spot once before. It's a big shoal and drop-offs on that side, and I'm just gonna commit to this area and hopefully I can find some fish. Apparently the fishing's been a bit slow. We've had a massive heat wave last couple of weeks, so we'll see how it goes. But today's goal is just to put 5 fish on the board, and that's it. Nothing else. I just want to fill my card. That's the main goal. And have fun, you know. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, very hot day again. And no better place to be than on the water fishing. So that's it. Let's get fishing. Okay. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes and we can start fishing. 6 o'clock. And we're off to the races. Okay, let's see how today goes. Not a very big one, but it's a fish. Small that matters. Small little one. All I see is fish below me, which is very good. Very good, very good, very good. Didn't want to slow down like this already, but oh man, I'm just gonna catch this. That was a big fish. So I think I need to keep on throwing this one. This is like, now I understand why they were hitting it. Just need them to hit it a bit harder. Thanks, Kobe. Informative. Can you stop jumping? Can you really stop jumping? Please stop jumping. on the fall. That was kind of nice. Not big, but it's, and a few falls out.